Do you know, from a continental perspective, $23.1 billion, or 62.6% of the total value of pork exports, originate from Europe? In second place are North American exporters, accounting for 27.5%. With such a large number of exports, and the quality of pork here is considered delicious and nutritious. So how does a farmer take care of millions of pigs? As I am sure, through this video, you will be amazed. So let's find out together. The marvel at how the farmers take care of millions of pigs. As building a barn for pigs is the first thing that you need to do. This is also considered a way of care. As in the large pig farms, they invest in a house dedicated to the mother and the newborn. As they make the farmers with just enough width for each pig family, as they provide the pigs with two different temperatures, as the newborn will need about 95 degrees Fahrenheit for a week, and the sows will need 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So they will put a cast iron frame for the sow to lie down and stay cooler, and put the piglets on the red pad. As the piglets will be breastfed for about 21 days, and then released from the barn and gathered together so that they can continue to do a technical work to take care of growing the piglets. Whether indoors or outdoors, piglets will need 16 square feet of space each, while the weaners and senior pigs need almost 40 square feet, as they will feed the piglets with a dry feed, and feeds that contain complex, easily digestible ingredients, and are formulated to taste like soap milk to encourage the piglets to eat and grow. As the pigs have grown and matured, for optimal growth, they will provide the pig with a high-quality commercial feed to help them to gain weight quickly. As these feeds will be transferred to an automatic feeder, a pipeline, so that they won't have to waste time going from place to place to feed. As to take care of these pigs, they spend more than 110 tons of feed per week. As the feed for pigs are prepared by them and are suitable for their age and breed. As the human job is just to control the remote. As they provide and vaccinate the pig with a veterinarian-recommended vaccine for your local area, and limiting contact with other animals will contribute to a long-term disease prevention. As the pigs are notoriously messy animals. That is why they had worked hard to clean the barn. And now in larger farms, they all use up by automatic machines, which are both quick and clean. And it is likened to a washing robot with a flexible rotation. As it can be said that in a pig farming, the pig care is the last very important step to prepare for the harvest of the product, as the pigs are brought to the factory to process pork very carefully, as pork is a protein-rich food and contains various fats. Therefore, pork has many health-related benefits. As pig farms like these also serve the needs of people to visit and explore, especially the children who want to explore and love animals. As this is the end of our video for today, did you find it interesting? Please leave a comment down below to let us know. Don't forget to click that like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. And for now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.